graveyard smash.
Today we're unboxing this 18-inch doll Hufflepuff school uniform set. This is recommended for ages 5 and up, and this is from the Harry Potter collection. On the side here it talks about Hufflepuffs, so if you'd like to read about Hufflepuffs, you can pause the video here. And then on the back we can see a picture of what it looks like on a doll. Let's get the school uniform out of the box. Okay, so all the pieces are out of the package, and I just have to say this is so cute. I'm a Hufflepuff myself, so like seeing this in miniature is so cute. Look at the robe. We have the symbol on here for the Hufflepuff house. And then we have this hood where the inside is yellow. Then here we have the gray skirt. It's got elastic so it can stretch. Here we have the shirt with the yellow and black tie for the Hufflepuff colors. It's got a collar and it buttons in the front. It is long sleeve. And look at these cute socks. They're gray and they have yellow stripes for Hufflepuff. We got these black buckle shoes. A wand with a clear handle. We have a yellow and black scarf, and it has the little Hufflepuff symbol on the bottom. And then we get this golden hanger, got a castle on it, and then like the house animals, so badger for Hufflepuff, snake for Slytherin, lion for Gryffindor, and we have a raven for Ravenclaw, and it says Harry Potter in the middle. At the bottom we have an owl. Okay, so here it is on my doll that is a My Life as doll, so the brand that it goes with. And I absolutely love it. It's so adorable. And I think especially with this specific doll, she looks like she would be a Hufflepuff. And I love how the hood actually fits over her head. And here's what the outfit looks like without the robe. Bye! Subscribe for more videos.